One of the things that I love about my Glowforge is that at the end of the day, if I can think of it, I can pretty much make it. My name is Andrew Maldonado and I'm the owner of Caine Crafts. My Glowforge has made all the difference for me. When I was a kid, I used to make bow ties with my mom, but I could never find the fabric that I want specifically. Now with this, I can make any pattern I want. The sky is really the limit. Whether it be a bow tie, or a clock, or even a flask. Glowforge makes it possible for me to do that. This is my first lamp that I ever attempted. I wanted something that, represented me. Something that's tall, but also with some little surprises in it that you wouldn't expect to find. Glowforge really has changed my life in ways that are completely unexpected.